Example 7. First, we're going to talk about the axis of symmetry. The axis of symmetry is where I could fold the graph in half and it would be equal on both sides. This happens at x equals -2. Next, we're going to talk about our maximum or a minimum. In this case, we have a minimum. That's because our vertex is the lowest point on our graph. It happens to be located at the value -2, 0. When looking at my x-intercepts, I care about where the graph crosses the x-axis. It happens to cross at our vertex, which we know is -2, 0. It only crosses once, so there's only one x-intercept. My y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis, which happens to be at the point 0, +2. My intercepts are always 0 for the other letter, and then the value for either the x or the y. Next, we're going to talk about ray A to see if it's increasing or decreasing rate of change. Ray A is the first part of my graph. When I read this like a book from left to right, it is going down, so it is decreasing. Next, I'm going to take a look at ray B, which is going to be the second part of my graph. Ray B, when I read it like a book, is going up. So it is going to have an increasing rate of change. And there you have the key features of the absolute value graph.